Today I'm going to show you how to access the media section in CapCut on PC in just a few simple steps. If you're new to CapCut or you've been looking around the interface and can't find where your media is stored, this video will clear it up quickly. The media section is where you can bring in your video clips, images, and other assets. So knowing exactly where to find it will save you time every time you start a new edit. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut guides. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open the CapCut PC app on your computer. Once CapCut launches, you'll see the home screen or dashboard depending on your version. From here, you need to open the project you want to work on. You can either continue with an existing project or start a new one if you're just testing things out. The important part is getting inside the editor because that's where the top menu options will appear. After your project opens, look at the top menu bar inside CapCut. This is where you'll find different editing categories and tools. Now click on Media. As soon as you select Media, CapCut will take you to the Media section, where you can access your imported files and manage the content you want to use in your video. This is the area you'll use to upload new clips, choose assets, and organize the files for your edit. If you don't see the media section right away, make sure your project has fully loaded and that you are in the main editor view. In most cases, the media tab is located clearly at the top, so once you know where to look, it becomes very easy to find again. This is one of those small steps that makes the whole editing process smoother, especially when you're working on multiple projects. So just to recap, open the CapCut PC app, open your project, and then click Media from the top menu. That's all you need to do to get into the media section and start organizing your content. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.